Dear students, today we are going through the exercise of our the chapter. Yesterday means in previous class we discussed about the question answer, working with the text. And first question was answer the following questions, and we did it. So I think all of you by hearted it. Then second one, mark the right item. First one, Taro earned very little money because he didn't work hard enough. The villagers didn't need wood. The price of wood was very low. So select the correct answer. This is a homework for you. So do it and send me. Second, Taro decided to earn extra money. First one, to live a more comfortable life. Second, to buy his old father some steak. Third, to repair the cracks in the hut. Then look, third question. The neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because she was delighted with the drink. She was astonished to hear Taro's story. She wanted to tell the whole village about the waterfall. Next question, look. Next question, working with a language. Strike off the words in the box below that are not suitable. So strike off means avoid. So avoid the words in the box below which are not suitable and select the suitable words from this box which is suiting to the sentence under of this question. The words are thoughtful, hardworking, loving, honest, considerate, trustworthy, efficient, kind. So the sentence is that one I am reading. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was. So you have to select the suitable words which is suiting to this sentence from this box. Okay. Then B. Working with language. B. This made Taro sadder than ever. This refers to. So here have three options. So you have to select the suitable one to this sentence. This made Taro sadder than ever. First one, a strong wind that began to blow. Taro's father's old age. Taro's inability to buy expensive steak for his father. Inability means not ability. He have no ability. Okay. Old age, all of you know. Mark the right answer. Okay. Then second, this said the emperor was to encourage all children to honor and to obey their parents. This refers to. So this refers to one thing. What is that one? That is the question. First one, the most beautiful fountain in the city. Second, rewarding Taro with gold and giving the fountain his name. Third, sending for Taro to hear this story. So you have to select the right item from this. Okay. Then look, see. Arrange the words below in pairs that are rhyme. So in this box here I have some words. I am reading that one. Young, sad, money, chop, lung, last, wax, good, bad, sound, axe, wood, where, stop, sunny, fast, round, day. So from this box you have to write the in pairs with some rhyming words. One two example has been given for you. Young, lang, money, sunny. Like that you have to do all other words. This is also a homework for you, very simple homework. Then next D. Fill the blanks with the words from the box. So in this box here have so many words. So you have to fill this paragraph which is suitable word from this box. Which are the lonely, little, yard, hard, young, thoughtful, delicious, beautiful. So you have to fill this paragraph by selecting the suitable word in the blank area. A dash woodcutter lived on a dash hillside. He was a dash son who worked but earned dash money. One day he saw a waterfall hidden behind a rock. He tasted the water and found it dash. Then second one, find the sentence in the story and fill the blanks. You have to find the sentence in the story. You have to find the sentence from this story, this sentence and this also, and fill the blanks. First one, this made Taro dash than ever. So you have to find this word, this sentence from the third paragraph, that is the number here. Second, and fill the word here. Next, he decided to walk dash than before, from third paragraph. Third, next morning Taro jumped out of bed dash than usual, in fourth paragraph. Fourth, he began to chop even dash, from fourth paragraph. Next morning Taro started for walk even dash than morning before. So this is from the 10th paragraph. Next, speaking and writing. Speak the following sentences clearly but as quickly as you can. So you have to read the two sentences clearly, but you need to read it fast, quickly as you can, as fast as you can, and learn them by heart. Okay. So I am not reading this one. You have to read this first one and second one, and send me its a voice record to my personal number. Okay. Then B. The story Taro's reward shows that Taro is thoughtful, hardworking, and also wise. Read aloud the pages of the story that shows the qualities in Taro. So its answer I am adding here. So it is not a homework. Second one, like the Patrick in the story, who did Patrick's homework? Taro is helped by magic. I think you are remembering the first chapter. Who did Patrick's homework? There the Patrick escaped by a magic, like that. Here also Taro was escaped and he was happy by a magic. So here is a question for you. Do you believe in a magic? Are you believing in a magic? What are the magical things that happen in these stories? So what are the magical things happening in these stories? So try to answer, and you have to this answer I will give you. Okay, its answer I will give you. Then second one, which story do you like better and why? Which type of the story do you like and which is the better and why you are liking it? Magical story or animation story or the story related with lessons, like that. So many type of the stories are there. So which type of the story do you like and why you like it? Do you know such stories in other language, and do you know such stories in other languages? Discuss these questions in the class. So you have no classroom, so you can discuss like this thing, this question from your home with your sisters or mother, brothers or your family members. You are requested to give me its answer. So this is a homework for you. You need to send me this one. Next, third. Now write a paragraph or two about these two stories, comparing them. So you have to write a paragraph about two stories. First story is who did Patrick's homework, and the second story is Taro's reward. So you have to write a paragraph in 7 lines. In 7 lines about these two stories and comparing with them. Okay, listen to these children. What are they talking about? So you have to listen to these children and look what are they talking about. So in first one, I think swimming is more difficult than driving. A boy is telling that I think swimming is more difficult than driving. So second one told I think it is much less difficult. He told swimming is not a difficult, it is very easy. So another third person he told, anyhow, neither of them is as difficult as learning English. So he told like this. Okay. So listen and what are they talking about? Point of these three opinion that one, the skill and the taste of the people are different. എല്ലാവരുടെയും ടേസ്റ്റ് ഒരുപോലെ ആയിരിക്കില്ല. The taste of the people are different according to their attitude and their behavior and their background family ഒക്കെയുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ അനുസരിച്ച് എല്ലാവരുടെയും കലാവാസനകൾ വ്യത്യസ്തമായിരിക്കും. ചില ആളുകൾ സ്വിമ്മിങ്ങിനായിരിക്കും, ചില ആളുകൾ ഡ്രൈവിങ്ങിനായിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ എല്ലാവരും ഒരുപോലെ ആവണം എന്നില്ല. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദി പോയിന്റ് ഫ്രം ദിസ് chatting. Work in group, come to some agreement on each of the activities give below. Decide which is most interesting, dullest, most dangerous, safest, most rewarding, most exciting. So here are so many things. So you have to group it, list it. In one column you can write interesting, and second column dullest, in third column most dangerous, and the next column safest, next column most rewarding, next column most exciting. So you can write some columns and select these things from this box and write this in suitable heading: cooking, fishing, playing football, knitting, dancing, listening to music, reading, swimming, mountain climbing, walking, swimming, learning languages, painting, watching TV, stamp collecting. So you have to list out this one, very simple one. Then last, dictation. Your teacher will speak the word given below. Write again each two. I'm reading these all words: bed, wax, fast, chop, young. So you have to select and write the rhyming word to bed, two words, and wax. For that you can write two rhyming word, one here and next one here. And fast you have to write one rhyming word here and next one here. For chop also two words, young also you have to write two words. I will give you this answer also. Dear students, last question. Know your country. So you have to read two questions from that column and find its answer from the page number 40. And I will give you the correct answer which I told you I will give you. So write that answer also in your notebook and send me it. Okay, thank you. See you later. Thank you. I wish you a happy day.